Now, normally I don't interrupt my videos to talk. However, let's just admire this mold. Let me tell you, I am in love with this mold so much that I'm going to do a video about this mold. Look at how nice the soap came out, how smooth. And this is 24 or like 23 hours later. It's not soft. It's the perfect texture. It was just perfect. Ooh, child, you have outdone yourself. This is gorgeous. I love these swirls. I love this mold. Like, I wish I had money to just go and replace all my molds with the company that made these molds, because this swirl, this texture, everything is all on point. I love it. What do you guys think? Now, I must add that I did use an entirely different recipe for this bar of soap because I was making it for someone who has a palm and coconut oil allergy. So that could have something to do with it too. So I'm going to have to test this out, but still, I'm loving this mold. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to the channel. If you made it this far in the video, please leave me a heart emoji at the end. And for now, black hands are out. Bye bye, guys.